let's talk about it. Smart account access.
It's pretty simple. You do have to go through 2 tiers of account setups,
Right.
but the first thing that you do is set up an eAuthentication account,
Mm-hmm.
and so we're going to show you how to do that real quick.
Yep. I think anybody can just go there and register account, right? So you don't have to be Forest Service employee or anything like that.
Of course, the most difficult part about setting up an eAuthentication account is making sure that your password fits all the parameters.
Exactly. That's a really funny part that always gives me a headache. Because you have to actually regularly change your password, update your password. And I've already pretty much run out of ideas. But again, just anybody can go to this webpage and register an account for eAuthentication. It's sort of a portal to access a lot of the USDA online services.
You have to have a valid email address in order to set this up.
That's right. You see, this is probably...
So my passwords, this is another hard part of it, is getting them, making sure that you type in the exact same thing.
That's right.
I suggest kind of writing it out before to make sure that you fit all the parameters, and then you have it right in front of you as well for when you want to type it in.
That's right. There you go. That's pretty much it to register an account for eAuthentication. Do you have any tricks for everybody, like how to come up with a good password?
You know, I tend to try to think of kind of a longer word,
Right.
or maybe like a place or something like that. And then I kind of think about what characters within that word I might be able to replace with a number. You know, like maybe replace an O with a 0, or like an I or an L with a 1.
That's right. That's a good idea.
Yeah, and then, you know, it's if you have to add in like some sort of punctuation or other special character, I like exclamations.
Right,
I think those are, you know, usually pretty easy to remember. Okay, so once you've actually gone through and set up your account through the eAuthentication system, you will have to then return to your email, where you'll get a message from the eAuthentication help desk, and your account will not be activated until you go to this email and click on the Activate My Account link.
Right.
So we're just going to show you how to do that.
Right. So you'll be receiving an email like that.
And then once you click on that Activate My Account, you'll see this right here, and that's about it.
All right. So once it's confirmed, you get your eAuthentication account. That's it.
Yep, that's totally it. But you have to go and activate that account, otherwise it just won't work.
Right. Okay. Remember that. Be patient. It
Yeah.
might take a little bit longer, right? So,
Yeah.
It should come through. There's no limit.
Exactly.
How many accounts you can
Exactly.
register? The same person can register multiple accounts.
Yep, and you can use the same email address for multiple accounts as well.
Right. So that's a little tip. Yeah. Now again, there's really the 2 tiers of password controls to access Smart, right? First, you have to go through this gateway, the eAuthentication, and then we'll be next talking about the actual Smart account.
Right.
And so this is the eAuth. We'll send you this link. Don't worry about it. It's a pretty long web address. We'll send you a link, and you just access it anywhere from anywhere, and to register your account. Again, you don't have to be any federal employees or anything like that. Just about anybody can just go there and register account, right? Mm-hmm. All right. So that's for eAuthentication.